welcome to
K&K
Adventures. My name is Kristen,
And I'm Courtney.
and we're going to box this Kinder Joy.
So what's in it is some pudding, like chocolate pudding, and there's also a toy. So let's get started opening it. So you can pop out a handle.
Oh, guys, and by the way, there are 3 Kinder Joys inside.
We got the 3-pack. Now let's pop out the handle. Pop. Ta-da! It's my little purse. Okay. Now we can go to the back, and you see these things. You get to open it and pop them in.
Let's try it, guys.
Whoa. Now let's open it like this.
So we're going to open it like this, guys. We're going to open it like this.
Whoa, that's...
Wow, guys, look at the Kinder Joys inside.
Look at them. Okay, I'm going to save one
For tomorrow.
So I'm going to save this one. Let's put that over here. Okay, now we're going to open 2. Here, have one.
How about you go first?
So here's the case. All empty. Okay, let's open it. Here's the eggie.
Okay, you go first.
So let's open the little tab over here. It's kind of hard. Let me try to do it more harder.
Whoa! Guys, look at this.
Look at that. Here's the spoon. Let's get it out. Here's the spoon. So the white packet is,
The toy
and the golden one is.
is the pudding.
So let's open the toy first. There it is. Now let's get. Wow! I broke out the piece. Ooh. Oh, I opened it.
Let's see what toy she got. Wow, I can see lots of pieces, guys.
Look, guys.
Oh, and comment down below which toy did you get.
Here are the instructions.
And don't forget to take a picture of it and share it with us.
Let's open it. Wow, these instructions look so cool.
Ooh, guys, look at these instructions.
Whoa, I think we're gonna make a spinner.
Okay, let's do it, guys. So you're going to connect these parts to this blue one, like this, and do it with the other side. And now we clip them together.
Clip in. Let's clip them together. Make sure it doesn't spin off. Wow, it's spinning actually. Wow. Hold it.
Here.
Ask somebody to hold the red part because it's gonna be harder. So as you can see, there's like 2 holes in the side.
So we're going to connect them to the other one.
So let's connect them. 1 hole and 2 holes. And now connect it.
Here, let's close it more tighter. And by the way, when you scan this, you can see the app.
Cool.
So make sure to keep it if you want to download the app.
So here's our spinner. Let's try it.
Guys, look, it's so red and blue.
Look at that spinner go. Oh, I guess it stopped. Now you can close it just like that and save it for later.
Now we can eat our pudding.
Let's open it, guys.
Wow.
I think I got the vanilla one. Ta-da!
And by the way, comment down below which flavor you got.
Whoa, look at this giant ball.
Crunchy.
Let's eat some more. Let's do that.
Okay, now it's my turn, guys. Look at my Kinder Joy. It's kind of heavier than the other one, so let's see what's inside.
Open it.
And guys, this Kinder Joy opening is not easy, so take your time and pause the video. Oh no, I'm crushing it. Okay. Ooh, guys, it looks like the same one.
Oh, she got a spoon.
Oh, and guys, the spoon is the same shape. Guys, let's see what's in our pack.
What color?
Okay, let's do the same process, and let's see how mine goes.
For you to just remember, here is my spinner. It's red and light blue.
Oh, comment down below which color you like. My dark blue and yellow one, or her light blue and red one. Guys, look at my spinner. It's so colorful. Let's see it spin.
Let's see.
Whoa.
So you can see it. Let's go.
Wow.
Whoa, I think I hit the spoon.
Okay, we're going to save it for later. Now I'm going to eat my snack. Let's see what kind I got.
Okay.
Ooh.
So I got this piece.
Guys, look, I also got vanilla.
There's actually chocolate when you eat the balls. You'll see it under.
Let's see. Guys, take a look at this.
She's using the circle head spot.
Over here. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, look at this, guys. Let's taste it. Let's taste the other ball.
Look, guys. See, there's chocolate.
So you might want to mix it up with the vanilla. And don't forget to subscribe
Oh, and hit the like button.
and the bell button to see our new videos. Bye! We'll see you later!
Later.
Bye! Let's eat it. Just eat it. Just eat it. Just eat it.
Oh no, my spinner fell.
Eat it. Eat it. Hi guys, this is bloopers. I'm kidding. Let's mix it together and let's see what color. Stop doing this.